Thank you.
Hello, Cancer. Welcome to Soul Vibrations. Here to deliver soul vibrational messages. Today I'll be using tarot and pendulum to check on your energetic system, also called chakras or known as auras, or energy points in your body, however you can resonate to these particular energies. With that said, happy blue moon energy. We are officially in Virgo season. And being a full moon Cancer, obviously this is your field. You are the home of the moon. And so I hope that this particular season sits well with you, that this message resonates, and it helps you, again, to bring in balance and prosperity into your life. So with that said, this is a general energy reading. I've been meditating on your energy, focusing primarily on your mind, body, and spirit. So like I said, I pre-shuffled, and I will do a couple more just to see if anything would like to come out for us. Okay. Four of Pentacles, High Priestess, and Ace of Pentacles. Okay. Okay, Cancer. I don't want you to get offended, but I do feel a little bit of like how do you say that word? Scarcity. Scarcity kind of feeling, like really like holding tight, possibly to your money or to your physical state, like not really doing a lot of moves. Let me start by saying that Pentacles, it's the earth element within ourselves. Okay, it's our body, it's our material needs, it's our finances, it's earth, right? So there's a feeling of you possibly even not being out in earth as much, which, you know, almost like nature's wanting you to be more out in earth. Work on your body, on your finances, your material needs. I have this feeling of like you probably being worried about finances or anything like that this particular season. And the High Priestess is here to say this will take time and you might have to wait, but be in your sacred knowledge, knowing that things are going to be all right. Allow these fears and to pretty much go away. Like tap into your subconscious mind as to how can you bring in more flow, because Spirit is saying that they are bringing you new opportunities when it comes to, again, your financial needs, probably like a better health, or like you'll be in a very good place, but you're in this like space of time where you need to definitely be more within. Tap more into your intuition. Yes, maybe hold back. It could also be saying, you know, it's a good time to save money, to really be cautious where you spend your time. Be more conservative with your time, your money, your home, you know, have a little bit more control in those areas for right now. Like there is a waiting time, like in whatever is coming through for you, which is another, like I said, potential new beginnings. It's asking you to wait for now, just to, again, go within and allow your waters to flow, and there's this new balance coming in. 2 represents balance, partnership, duality. There's things that need to come in balance before the ace can come through. It's what I'm feeling for you. But definitely, just if you're not being too tight, it probably wants you to be. Okay, you are kind of like in a, I see a lot of gray, like a gray area, but it's okay. Like I said, it takes time. It's high priestess, which I just learned this too. The word gestation, when it comes to like if there's something forming, you know, it's in a process. But again, it does take its time, and it's asking you to again um, be in your divine feminine. If, even if you're a male, you know, be more soft with things, have more, look at more options, nurture whatever you're trying to do. Okay, so I hope that this message resonates with you, Cancer, and I will be moving along to your chakras. Actually, before I move on, I want to talk to you about the number 4. Number 4 means structure, stability. Its manifestation is like, what are you trying to manifest? It's planning, it's sturdiness. 4 is symbolic to solidity. It's security, okay? So I hope that this message doesn't totally like scare you, specifically this card. Like it wants you to really look into that intuitively, I guess, as well. So and then just allow yourself to just wait, and Spirit will send you the Ace of Pentacles whenever it's, you know, whenever you're ready. So, okay, you're probably like, I'm ready now. Wait. Okay. I'm going to move on to check on your chakras. See, where should you be giving a little bit more light and attention to your energetic system. I like to work with keywords. It sometimes helps you also apply it wherever it needs to. Okay, is it your heart chakra? Yes, immediately. Yes. Okay, thank you so much, Spirit. Okay, so your heart chakra. To me, your heart represents your filter. Okay? To me, it represents a filter to both your physical and your spiritual side. And it's your heart. You know, it's definitely the love. So this is where you need to give a little bit more light to yourself in your compassion, forgiveness, self-love, love, self-acceptance, your intimacy, your empathy, relationships, your devotion, your altruism, and grief. Give a little bit more of that attention to yourself for these coming weeks, and hopefully you will bring in balance. You will probably also, again, clean out your filter. Wear the color green, eat a lot of green fruits and vegetables, meditate on the color green to also help you balance. Thank you so much, Cancer. I hope that this message resonates with you. I appreciate your time. I send you the best of vibes, and I will talk to you soon. Ciao.